Okay, this is a 2010 Ford F-150 that a customer had towed to me that cranking and start and install right away. So, let me show you exactly what it's doing. Okay, so So, all right. So I've done that about 20 times just to see if I can get a code to show up. And there's, let me go ahead and scan it real quick. No codes. No pending codes. No memory codes. Now, when I went and looked at this thing at the customer's house, it had a P060A communication power communication code, basically, to the ECU. I tried starting it a few times at his house and the battery ran low, so I figured, man, get this thing looked at. We need to get it towed over here so I can spend a little time. I do believe that the code set because of the low battery, because I can't seem to get it to trigger again. I do notice that it starts right away and then stalls. So to me, it seems like it's getting fuel pressure and holding fuel pressure. It's priming, because it starts every single time. It just stalls immediately. So the first thing that I did to figure this out was I came over here to your mass airflow sensor and I took a quick peek at the wiring because this cover was pulled back and there really wasn't anything wrong with it to the naked eye, so I just left it unplugged. So okay, let's see what you want to do. Oh, she fires right up. Obviously, it doesn't run the best. However, it does run. Okay. Cool. It's probably going to have codes. And it does, But that's because the mass airflow sensor is unplugged. This, again, rules out any type of fuel delivery issue, like fuel pump failure or fuel pump driver module or any of that kind of stuff. So, go ahead and pop this air box up. Okay. Shop for a minute. Let's see if we can see something wrong with this mass airflow sensor. Let's see if I can hold my flashlight and look down this thing with my camera at the same time. Sorry, it's kind of cold out today too, so it'll work better if I can. Oh, I'm fucking freezing my ass off. All right. You probably see it. Looks like a fly or a bee or something inside there. Oh, whatever that is, that ain't supposed to be there. Let's see if I can get it to tap on out. Nope. Oh, there we go. Okay. Some type of bug of some sort. Don't appear to be in there anymore. Oh. Let's see if just doing that made any change whatsoever. Now we'll come through and clean this mass airflow sensor out. With some mass airflow sensor cleaner. But I am speculating that that was my problem the entire time. How that guy got in there, you know, it could have worked its way in through a unsealed airbox, gotten sucked up. This airbox has got some debris and junk kind of on the lid of it, and you know, along the base of it. So, you know, could have had an oil change done recently and wasn't very careful when they popped this guy up to check it, or either way, I'll give that the shop vac out and suck all that crap out and all that, just to make sure that, you know, nothing like that happen again. Anyways, let's go ahead and slip this guy just back together like that real quick. And we'll come back over here. Alright. And actually we'll clear our coats first. Okay, clothes are cleared. Check any pendings. Gone. Memory. No codes. Let's see what happens. Alright. Well, she's running. So, like I said, I'll go through and clean that mass airflow sensor with some mass airflow sensor cleaner. And go from there, but shit, it sure seems like that all it took was a little fly or bug or whatever to get sucked up into that doggy, and well, you're dead in the water. So said if you have a truck like this that starts and stalls right away, you know, and seems to have, I mean, if you have lack of fuel pressure or something like that, you know, it's going to long crank Probably not start at all. But if you fire right up the way this thing was firing up and dying, I would feel fairly confident that you have fuel pressure, and that fuel pressure is probably not your issue. So, yeah, thanks for watching.